Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic today that is about present value and future value. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about future value equals to present value multiplied by 1 plus r to the power of t. The question they want to find how long, that means that is about t, the time in here. So we need to know that kid borrow this amount in here, that is about present value, and in the future he need to pay about this one, that is about future value. Interest rate 5% compounded annually, that's about r. And now we just put all the numbers in here and then we can find the value of t. Next, we divide both sides by 150,000 and we have about 1.157625. The next one, that is about 1.05. Next, we need to put about natural log for the both sides. So we know that we have the formula in here. Fn8 to the power of b equals to bfn8. So for this one, we put t go outside about natural law in here. And now we divide both sides by Fn of 1.05 and we can find the value of t. And this one we have number 3, and that is about 3 years. This is the end. Thank you for watching.